So this is CPM Calculus, Chapter 2, number 26. So let's just read the question. Let A of f from 5 is less than y is less than or equal to 7 represent the area between the function and the y-axis. Okay, so this is new. We see that we have the y-axis here, and normally we have seen the x-axis before. So keep that in mind. Between the horizontal lines, y equals 5 and y equals to 7. So we're given the definition of f. F of x is 2x plus 3, and we want to find the area that this region encloses. So let's start off by looking at the function and go ahead and graphing it. So we place our x and y axis there. I'm just choosing a few points. If we select x equals to 0, our output is 2 times 0 plus 3 is just 3. If x is equal to 1, 2 times 1 plus 3 is 5. X is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Now where is y equal to 0? Well, if this function equals to 0, we subtract 3 from both sides, divide by 2. We get negative 3 over 2, or negative 1.5. And, oops, I already had that, but I want to write it. So here's our graph. It's as expected. It should be a line because it's just an x. Y equals 2x plus 3. There's no quadratic or anything special. The parent function is just y equals x. And so we have to look specifically at the y-axis. So we know that the y-axis is here, going up and down vertically. And we want to make sure that, because this problem is asking us to consider the area between the function and the y-axis, we look at that. So here at x is 1, we go up to 5, so that point right there is 1, 5. As we can see, we found it right there. And then likewise, this point right here is 2, 7. So this is height 5 right here, and this is height 7 right here. So we want to find the area shaded in between our function and the y-axis between these horizontal lines, y equals to 5 and y equals to 7. So these are lines right here. That's why I kind of drew it like that. Y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. And these, if we look over here, create this trapezoid right here. And we know that from the x value in each of these, the base is 1 unit over here, and this base right here is 2 units. And the height goes from 5 to 7, remember, so 7 minus 5 is 2, so the height is 2 units. We know that the area of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 times base plus base times height. So we just plug those in. We know the bases, doesn't really matter which one's which. The base here is 1, the base here is 2, so we add those together, we get the area is 3 units. And then finally, we want to make sure we clearly state our answer, so we can say the area, which is just the question, of f, so our function, which is defined for us above, right here, and also in the question, between 5 and 7, so where y, so 5 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 7 is equal to 3 units squared. And remember that we want to say units squared. We're not given feet or meters or anything, so we just use in general units. And because we're multiplying units by units, getting area, we have to say units squared. So this is number 26 in Chapter 2 of CPM Calculus.